If you've ever felt like a full-size dash cam clutters up your windshield, then you should look for tiny dash cams. These smaller units tuck neatly behind the rearview mirror, stay out of sight from the outside, and don't block your line of vision while driving. But interestingly, most tiny dash cams today still pack in 4K recording, GPS logging, and parking mode, just in a slimmer body. So in this video, we're going to show you 5 smallest dash cams that strike the perfect balance between size and functionality. We'll put the updated price and purchase links down in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. If you want a small dash cam that actually gives you a lot for the price, then have a look at the Torvo TD3. It manages to bring a lot of the good stuff without going overboard on cost. Up front, it records in crisp 4K, and the rear cam captures in clean 1080p. For around $100, that's already a solid deal. Plus, the wide 170-degree front lens and 150-degree rear lens covered most blind spots while still catching small details both in daylight and at night. A lot of cheaper dash cams give up in the summer heat, but this one uses a supercapacitor instead of a regular battery. So, no overheating or sudden failures when the sun's blazing. It also comes with built-in GPS that logs your speed and location right onto the video. Now, the TD3 isn't just about recording. It's got a 3.2-inch IPS display and even 5 gigs of Wi-Fi, which makes the experience smoother. The standout here, though, has to be the Starlight Night Vision system with an f2.0 aperture. It's actually good at balancing tough lighting situations. Well, some other dash cams on this list have fancier features, but most of those come with a premium price tag. If you want core premium features, GPS included, and a reasonable price, the Torvo TD3 really hits the mark. The next one is small but focuses on coverage. Check out the 70mm T800. It's the world's first triple-channel dash cam with dual 4K recording, yet it still manages to keep everything neatly packaged. The main front unit houses both the forward-facing camera and an interior one, which keeps your setup clean and clutter-free. Then there's the separate 4K rear camera, giving you full coverage from every direction. Both front and rear use Sony Starvis 2 sensors for excellent clarity, while the inside cam captures in 1080p with infrared for nighttime rides. One of its neatest touches is the 3-inch IPS screen, which lets you view all 3 angles at once in picture-in-picture mode. That's rare for compact cams. It also features Wi-Fi 6, which transfers files at lightning speeds, so even massive 4K clips are quick to access. On top of that, you get buffered emergency recording, capturing a few minutes before and after an impact, and AI motion detection for reliable parking surveillance. Some users say the included mounting stickers don't always grip well on certain windshields, but that's easy to fix with alternative mounts. At the end of the day, if you want an all-in-one compact system that leaves no blind spots, the T800 is a smart choice. For drivers who prefer something nearly invisible, the Nextbase Pico continues the trend of small but functional cameras. It's tiny enough to disappear behind your mirror, yet it still records in sharp 2K resolution with a 140-degree view that gets all the important details. The real highlight here is convenience. The Pico uses a clever click mount system, which means you can snap it in or out without tools or hassle. So, if you're parking somewhere you don't feel comfortable leaving a camera exposed, you can pop it off in seconds. Despite its size, it still packs in handy features like built-in GPS, which logs your trips, speed, and time data. Voice control is also included, so you can command it hands-free while focusing on driving. The smartphone app gives you access to settings and footage, though it's worth noting that transfers may feel slower compared to some higher-end models. Daytime footage is where the Pico really shines. License plates and road signs show up crisp and clear. At night, it does a decent job, though it's not quite on par with pricier models. Still, for drivers who want something compact and simple, the Pico is a solid little companion that gets the essentials right. Carrying forward the theme of tiny dash cams, the Viofo VS1 Mini is another small one. It's basically built for people who don't want to waste space on their windshield, but still want cutting-edge tech. At first glance, you'll notice how tiny this thing is, but don't be fooled by the size. Under the hood, you're getting 2K HDR video, powered by the Sony Starvis 2IMX675 sensor. Yeah, you'll get the clear and vibrant footage, day or night. And that's just the beginning. You've got HDR night vision, which makes sure details don't disappear when lighting gets tricky. There's also smart voice control, so you can operate it hands-free while focusing on the road. Add in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quicker file transfers, a GPS logger to keep track of routes, and a solid parking mode to cover your car even when you're away. Plus, the hidden installation design makes it blend right into your car without sticking out. You also get a 32 gigs of micro SD card and mounting accessories. Overall, the VS1 Mini nails that balance of tiny design and big features. Rounding out the list, the Vantrue E1 Pro proves that even the smallest dash cams can deliver professional-level performance. Bigger than a ring box, it records true 4K with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, which means sharp, detailed footage every time. What really makes it convenient is its magnetic mount system. Snap it on or off in seconds without fiddling around, which is super handy if you don't want to leave a camera visible in your parked car. The wide 158-degree lens covers plenty of ground, and Vantrue's PlatePix tech makes sure license plates stay crystal clear, even in tricky conditions. On the features side, it's loaded. You get 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast transfers, voice control in multiple languages, and even a CPL filter to cut glare on sunny days. Some users note it runs a little warm during longer drives, but it doesn't hurt performance. Plus, it supports massive storage, up to 1 TB cards, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. So, for anyone who wants maximum detail and minimal footprint, the E1 Pro proves you don't need a bulky design to get professional-grade performance. So, that wraps up our video on the 5 smallest dash cams you should consider for your car. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.